Good day, I'm Markel B. Panganiban from BSC 1104. I'm here to talk about RA 11131, Section 17, Section 35, and Section 36. Section 17. Rating in the licensure examination. To pass the licensure examination for criminologists, a candidate must obtain a weighted average rating of 75%, with no grades less than 60% in any given subject. In case the examine obtains a weighted average rating of 75% but has a grade below 60% in any of subject, the result of the examine shall be deferred and be required to retake that particular subject. The deferred examine shall only be allowed to retake once within 2 years from the date of the examination, and shall be required to obtain a grade not lower than 80% on the subject, to be considered to have passed the licensure examination. If the examine failed to retake after the lapse of 2 years or failed to get the passing mark of 80%, the examine shall retake all the board subject. Section 35. Preference of appointment in government, criminal justice, and other government institution. Registered criminologists shall enjoy priority of appointment and shall not be required to take any qualifying or entrance examination in the PNP, the NBI, the BGMP, the BFP, the Land Transformation Office or LTO, and other government positions related to criminology, police and law enforcement work, investigation and security, correction, and public safety of the following bureaus: department, institution, or agency of the government. The Department of Justice, DOJ, the Commission of Human Rights, or CHR, the Office of the Ombudsman, the Philippine Ports Authority, or PPA, the Commission on Election, or COMELEC, the Bureau of Treasure, or BOT, the Philippines Amusement and Gaming Corporation, or PAGCOR, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, the Department of Tourism, or DOT, the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, the Bureau of Immigration, or BI, the BOSI, the Department of Transportation, or DOTR, the Air Transportation Office, or ATO, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, the BSP, the BIR, the CHED, the City Municipal Security Office, the Provincial Jail, the Provincial Security Office, the Metro Manila Development Authority, or MMDA, the Supreme Court and lower courts, the Security Consolation, the Social Security System, the NAPOLCOM, the Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or ARMM, the Optical Media Board, the Intellectual Property Rights Office, the PIDEA, the Public Attorney's Office, or PAO, the PPC Government Owned and Controlled Corporation, and other government agency with position involving the practice of criminology. Section 36. Lateral entry of registered criminologists. Registered criminologists who are not in the government service shall be eligible and given preference for appointment via lateral entry as police, fire, and jail inspectors or its equivalent in the PDEA, NBI, and the other law enforcement agency, provided that they possess the general qualification for appointment as provided in the existing law on appointment of police officer in the PNP, BJMP, BFP, PDEA, or NBI. Provided further that those who are already in the police fire in jail service as non-commissioned officer and who are already registered and licensed criminologists shall be given preference for lateral entry.